In this video, I will show you how to connect a domain to HostGator hosting. In order to do that, head over to hostgator.com and then go right here to the hosting. Just choose in here what hosting you want. So I'll choose in here this WordPress hosting. Once I have managed that, we can see this. So we have the baby plan, the business plan, pro plan, and you can all see in here the description or some perks of that. So for example, let's choose this baby plan right here. Once you have done that, it will show you this. So you can choose on this. I want to use a domain I already own. Just enter the domain name right here and click on this use this domain name. And then this will prompt you to the checkout page of the HostGator. So from in there, you can just head over and then just purchase the baby plan. It can be per year or per 3 years or monthly if you want, and then just head over and click on this continue to checkout in order to purchase it and start hosting.